What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got the Mustang behind me and I got Mr. Balake behind me.
What up?
So we're going to be doing my seat today. I already got it sat in there. I'm going to make some brackets. Like I said, this thing is a very steep lean, so I gotta compensate for the back. So I gotta make some brackets. I already grinded some material over here. I'm gonna go ahead and weld that up onto the car, and then yeah, let's get to it.
What you working on over here, Mr. Nick?
Old Mazda Speed 3. Just did a clutch on it.
Oh, looks like a lot of fun.
Yeah, super fun.
Let's go see what Mr. Derek's over here doing. Oh, that looks like that's going to be more fun than the other spot was.
Yeah. We'll see.
And for all your detailing needs, hit up Diamond Mobile Detailing. Come by the shop. Got plenty of business cards here. We do it all.
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the clips of putting this thing together. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. We have a seat now. Can't really see it, but yeah. Got a surprise for you. Got a Juice Monkey in the house. What up, dog?
Gang. Boy.
Got your car running, dude.
Well, I'm happier. Fucking tornado in a trailer park about this deal.
So tell me about it, bro.
Whew. Awkward. You got to restart this whole video.
Top secret. Can't see up under
Because, yeah, the hood was off. So, for real, yeah. You got to restart that deal. And start. Oh.
Hi, hello.
Hello.
So, what's up with the truck, dude?
Just finished the 307.
Quit lying. You know you got a 4.3.
Finally got it all.
And the air filter don't have that much.
Not adjusted or not tested. But it does move under its own power. And that's cool. I like that.
Got like that T56 power, boy.
What's that?
That T56
That
power.
T56, son, double twin disc clutch. Boy, we about to be, hold on. About to blow some panties off. Hopefully. I'll see if it'll start. Probably won't, the battery's dead.
Yeah, give her a old start, dude.
It's actually out of gas. Honestly, that is the truth. It is out of gas. Hey!
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
bud.
What happened, dude?
I forgot to put the return spring on the carburetor.
Whoops.
Yeah.
That'll happen every time?
60% of the time. It'll happen every time. All right.
Okay, cool.
Well, that's on the spot.
Natural. Go ahead.
Natural. You gotta give me a second. I gotta adjust my carburetor first before I can just tell everybody to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll put more videos out. If you don't, he's still gonna put videos out. So
True.
it is what it is.
It's very true.
Back to my carburetor adjustments.
Yep.
Lots.
So the people want to know why you went with a 307.
Just be a little different. It's also what I had. So
That's that D-stroke 327.
no, it's a bored out 305. We bored the 305 out like 13 over. Put 84.7 to 1 compression pistons. New distributor. That's about all I got. New distributor, new pistons, 18-inch stroke rod, or 18-inch stroke, and a 4-inch rod.
So you're basically
That's right, yeah.
sums
up everything.
So basically, it's
On
a Cummins.
1,000 kit nitrous turbo.
All of it.
All of it.
All of it. So you're basically just going off on a Cummins build, right?
Yeah, basically, I want it to smoke out a lot, but the only problem is that everything comes out the front, so
Yeah.
it'd be hard to see the light at that point.
I mean, why do you need to see anyways?
I usually close my eyes when I left the button anyways.
True.
Let Jesus take the wheel and send it on the way, bud. Feeder the beans.
Hey, is this a Ford cap?
Don't disrespect me like that.
It does say slow.
It is slow. I didn't say it was fast. 307
Yeah.
Shit, son.
Yeah.
But
Scotty wants to tell everybody bye too.
bye, everybody.
Make sure you like, subscribe
Yes.
for more of him.
Comment, like, subscribe. Tell me I'm ugly. Call me fat. Whatever. As long as you comment something.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't give a shit what it is.
All right, guys.
Minus the bad language. My bad.
No, that's okay. It's not for kids.
Yeah. Next time you see it will hopefully be wheels up. Like that. That's all I got.
All right, guys. Well, I appreciate you watching. Definitely, like Scotty said, hit that like button and comment where you want to see his truck go as well too. So we'll see you on the next video, guys.